Hello everyone. My name is Evgeny Shvarov. I'm a DevRel and Startup Manager from InterSystems Corporation. And today I wanted to share with you yet another feature that hopefully will save your developers time, will make your life better and will let you be more productive. It is terminal aliases and the way how you can make these aliases that you like, love, and to travel with your development environment even and be with you even with Docker environment, which I like very much. I hope you do. Okay, what is this thing? In fact, we all know that when you work with InterSystems IRIS, sometimes you just want to play with the terminal shell, and often you need to type long commands with this terminal shell. And so if this is the case, aliases is the thing that actually you can find it in documentation. Aliases is the thing that it is intended to save your time. So you can introduce an alias, like this is the simplest one. That alias name is you. And all the rest of is the alias itself, and then you can call it with semicolon u, and so it gets you into this user namespace. Also, you can pass parameters. So, for example, here is the alias for loading like files, and so just type %1 and %2, and it then substitutes it with the parameters separated with space, delimited with space. And of course you can also supply some code in this. So for example, here if you don't want to provide parameters for compilation, so something will go as default. Okay, great. So let's create some alias together. I will open VS Code and we'll call it terminal in Docker, and for example let's create an alias so that lets you export global. So let's create a global. For example, let's fill it with some data. Let's multiply I by 2. Yes. So let's export this global, and if we create, let's create an alias for that. So normally we export global with do $system object export, and if we check how we can create it, so that is how. Alias, we will name it export global. Oh, okay, so let's try it. And the name of global will be AAA, and we will need to put it in home IRIS owner folder. So why this folder? Because in this Docker Compose we have volume of that here. Let's even put it in dev, so this will let us see it in this folder file, even in working folder of this repository. Okay, yeah, and we see we have it here. Nice. Okay. But this alias will stay here on only this is Docker environment. Yeah, we probably like how it works. But what if we have a set of favorite aliases and we want these aliases be in every Docker environment we are working with? And this is also solvable, so we can check in the documentation. We just need to create an IRIS init file and put it in a home directory of a user that runs IRIS. And we are starting this IRIS in Docker with IRIS owner. So so we just need to create this .iris init file. Yes. And see there are several other aliases that I like. And we need to put yet another line, like this copy of this file into special place, into home IRIS owner folder. Yeah, and so once we will restart this Docker container. Yeah. So let's check, for example, SSL how SSL configuration creation works. Yeah, so it's a fresh new IRIS. Let's open terminal here. And first, let's see that export global also works. You see I have it in this is alias BBB, and it is home IRIS owner def. Yes, and yes, it is exported. Perfect. And so it works. And for example, how to create this new SSL configuration, new SSL, boom, created. And if we check if it is created here, yes, we can check that new SSL configuration is here. Amazing. Yes, so it works. So what you need is to include this file into your dev environment of your Docker. of your repository in Docker environment, and don't forget to copy it during Docker build phase, Docker image build phase, and you will be having it. So this is it. This is what I wanted to share you with. Please feel free to use this sample open on remote. Yes. Sample repository. It is available on GitHub and also available in OpenExchange. An OpenExchange is called yes, this object script. Let's filter by template. Yes, object script Docker template. Here it is. He's available. All the links will be provided. Yes, in the comments to this video. So this is the file. And please add your own aliases, share it. So